Hey guys, it's Mrs. Lesher. So we're going to be making apple pie bites today. This is a really quick, easy, fun recipe if you're looking for something sweet, something easy for a holiday to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a can of crescent rolls. And just like when we open our pizza bubble bread, you're going to find that inner seam. Press down with your fingers and it will pop. You're going to twist to open it up and pop out your crescent rolls. Then you're going to break apart your triangles and lay them on your parchment paper. And we're just going to do 4 at a time. Then we're going to take some melted butter and just brush it lightly on the insides of our crescent rolls like that. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some cinnamon sugar right on top and just sprinkle that right on our butter that we placed down. All right, and this is where your personal preference is going to come in. You're going to take your apples that you cut up, and you can either cut them into slices or dice them, up to you. And we're just going to place them right in the center of our roll-ups. And we're going to roll our crescents right around them like that. Then you're going to brush some butter on them, right on top again, and add some more cinnamon sugar right on top, just like that. Now these next 4, I'm going to add some chopped walnuts into. This is an optional part. If you have someone that's allergic, that's totally okay. You don't need them to make it the way you want it to. We're just going to go ahead and place these in the oven at 375 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay, now that these are all done, you could serve them with some vanilla ice cream and enjoy. On behalf of RCTV and Springford, we want to remind you to always wash your hands and clean all surfaces prior to cooking. Have a great day.